Mayowa Owolabi is Africa's most sought-after financial freedom coach, a successful serial entrepreneur and businessman who has successfully founded several companies. He is the founder of Mayowa Owolabi Company, a consultancy company that focuses majorly on the financial education, business growth, and personal development. May Concept Solutions, a digital marketing company. FMS Market Limited, a financial market company that focuses on stocks, forex trading, and crypto. Wealthgate Africa, a leading real estate and agricultural investment company. He is an alumnus of Lagos Business School on digital strategy. He was honored by Imoran of the Covenant University for speaking at its digital marketing and social media entrepreneur bootcamp, where he was presented an award. In 2021, the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS Southwest, presented him a Young Entrepreneurship Leadership Award as epitome of societal development. Mayowa Owolabi's achievements spanned several years, and in 2024, he was awarded an icon in national development by the Nigerian Youth League for his contribution towards youth upliftment, society development, and relentless service to humanity, among other awards. Mayowa Owolabi is on the move to help 1 billion people to achieve financial freedom through quality financial education. He is currently establishing a community of passionate individuals who want to achieve financial freedom by empowering them with the right wealth creation tools. A prolific author who has written 17 books, which among them is EduCell, Money Capsule for Couples, Wealth Creation Blueprint, and many others. He is happily married and blessed with children. To invite Mayowa Owolabi for speaking engagement, kindly visit www.mayowaowolabi.com or call +234 904 999 0005.